Hey, what's up, brothers? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Play via the Googlefier method on your Huawei or on a device. It's August 2021. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And this is very important. Please subscribe to my new second channel. It's called Fontech Shorts. I will show you. Go to YouTube and search for Fontech Shorts. You will see the videos. Tap on the video, tap on Fontech Shorts right here, and tap on subscribe. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. As always, brothers, all you have to do is go to my website. So the link is in description of this video. So go to description right now. Go to description right now, brothers, and tap on that link, and the link takes you to my website, to this site. On the site, scroll down until you see Googlefier. This one. Tap on that link. It will open a Mediafire page. Tap on consent, accept, and tap on this big blue button. Tap on it and tap on download. And the Googlefier APK will be downloaded into your device. So now we have to wait. Okay, we're almost there. So 99. Okay, the APK, the Googlefier APK is downloaded, and now we have to tap on that link, that APK, tap on it, again tap on it, tap on allow, and tap on install. And as you can see, brothers, the Googlefier method still works in 2021, but it takes some time. This is my 6th attempt and the first one which is successful. So be patient, and from here I can download all apps I like, I want, and of course some games. This is Google Play on the Mate 30 Pro. I will show you. This is about phone, and this is Mate 30 Pro downgraded to EMUI 10. On EMUI 11 I won't be able to install the Googlefier and I'm not be able to install the Google Play on this phone. Now the Google Play is fully working and I can download all I want. And of course, don't forget uninstall the Chinese application. I will show you how to do it. Go to apps, scroll all the way down. This is the Chinese application, and tap on uninstall and deactivate and uninstall. The app is uninstalled at this moment, and the Play Store is still working, as you can see, without problems, and I can download for example the Facebook Lite here. So I do hope you ended up enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to this main channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, Phone Tech Shorts Brothers. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and as always, stay Phone Tech Bros. Peace out.